welcome back to our channel. Want to step on today's video, I'm going to show you how to blur the image on Canva. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, launch the Canva app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. On the bottom of your screen, you can see a little plus sign. Tap on it. Now select the image you want to add blur in. Now tap on using a new design. After that, you have to now scroll down and select the image. Then go to effects and select the blur one. Now you can see you can adjust the brush size or the intensity of the blurriness. And now you can use this to blur few parts of the image. If not, you can blur the whole image as well. And guys, that's it. That's how you blur image in Canva. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.